You want to know why I'm egg? Because I'm fucking cracked.
That's so cursed. Stop. Wow! Oh no! Man, why am I so bad at this game? I haven't won once.
I'm sorry. Just kill me.
Yes, I can win!
What was that attack? What is that? Oh, that was great. That was fun.
Yeah.
Fox versus cat. We'll do that. There we go.
I'll be a sheep.
All right. Be a sheep.
I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep.
I'm a sheep. Oh my god.
Let's play in the fucking playground because
Belle,
Ichi be
please,
playing
no.
around.
I'm gonna bonk you. Oh my god. That was really close. Birthday beatings.
I'm just crying in this game.
How old are you turning? It's time for your birthday punches, apparently.
This is much more pain than I want it to be. Wait, what happened? Did we just cancel each other out?
I think it was an armor that you did.
Oh my god. Why am I so bad at this game? Oh, pain. I am back with Raid. Thank you so much.
I have achieved the achievement Serious Fighter, apparently.
Dude, I just feel like my butt is being kicked right now. That's about it. Watch Ichi just kick my butt again. Oh,
Oh
ew.
my God.
You know, just kill me. I really don't like my outfit.
You know that cats hunt birds, right? No. Did I just lick myself? Hold on, what was that? What was that attack? What is that?
I don't know. Maybe you get health back? Try it again.
Oh no.
Ow.
Oh, hold on, let me.
You get health back?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Wow.
Anyway, let's go. Wow.
Wow.
Eh.
No!
Just get smack you over the back of the head. I blame Pally for giving me Skullgirls and training me a little bit in fighting games.
No!
I'm just sitting there just licking myself. What the hell?
I'm just pretty much dead at this point. Man, why am I so bad at this game? I haven't won once.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault.
Oh.
Huh?
I said not at all.
No.
Yeah, let's go, Zeller.
Let's go to the hot room. Just give me a second here.
Huh?
I want to open the window.
Okay. Hi, Jim. Are we good? Oh my goodness.
I felt bad for everyone. No, I just made noodles because, like, the food that I was gonna get was gonna take forever to get to me.
Oh god. When I hear the noodles, I immediately have flashbacks to the fire noodles.
It was so bad.
Oh my god. Can we have Slender Cat? Like an actual Slender Man Slender Cat? It had a long man skin. And I'm like, oh no, am I gonna be wearing a suit? I swear, if he's wearing a suit, I'm gonna be yeah.
Yes, fire
Yes,
noodles.
those.
I actually did that. Like I did the 2 times.
Oh my, I literally am Slender Man. Oh my god. Just kill me. Okay. Why do I look like I kind of feel like a weasel instead of a cat here. Whoa. Laser.
Ah.
Laser. Oh. What is that? Ooh. I don't even know what this is. Oh my god.
Wow! Oh no, what is in
behind you?
there?
Nothing personnel, kid. Oh.
No, stop hitting me.
I am headbutt master. What the hell? I'm mad.
Yeah, bro, I'm mad. I'm mad, bro.
But I also can't give the round to you, because that would make you even more mad.
Oh. Ah! Come on, I can do this! No! I want to beat you, Ichi.
Oh. We will do this until you beat me. I am the raid boss.
No, I
am the raid boss. Should I download some horns and just throw it on my character right now so I'm like the evil NPC?
Damn it!
I'm so good at this game.
How I stuck up. Probably get my cheeks slapped on locals by all.
God.
Oh.
The Roku frustration is real.
It is, man. I haven't won once.
Alice, you think I'm being too mean? You think so?
I'm a fighter, though.
You're a fighter? I shall give thee no quarter. Oh, give me the do you have the PNG for those cross legs?
I only throw them on when we're sitting.
Okay.
Do you want me to send it to you anyways?
That'll work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just give me a second.
Let's see. I just have a pair of legs.
Don't put them over me. Put your legs away.
No, I was gonna like, have it sticking out of my damn head. Hold on a second. There we go. Now whenever I move, I have.
That's so cursed. Stop. Put it away.
Alright, let me
So
remove that.
strange.
Don't worry about it.
Also, yes, nya. Yes, I'm sorry, nya. I forgot how to do nya. Nya, 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 nya. Yeah, nya. We've been nying this whole time, of course, nya. I'm sorry, nya.
Nya.
Nya, 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 nya.
Nya for the both of us. There we go.
Also, welcome back, Nixie, nya. How was your Lost Ark addiction, nya?
That's cute. I like that.
Oh my god, please. I'm not doing this by choice.
From now on.
No. Double horns? Okay, buddy.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello, egg.
I am egg. You wanna know why I'm egg? Because I'm fucking cracked. Alright, let's go. I'm sorry. Alright. Ah! You know me, you know how I am. Alright. This stupid. Oh god. Egg. Ow. Oh, that was crazy.
You already saw that. You already did that before, though.
Did I?
Yeah, you did. Also, goddammit.
Can I pretend I didn't? Yeah, the turnaround is real. My bad. I
hate you, man. Why are you so damn good at these games?
Bork. Oh, I pooped an egg. I don't know what that does. I really have no idea. But whatever.
How do I get around
here? Bomb? Is it like a bomb?
Yeah,
It's a bomb. Come at me.
No.
Come at me.
No, your poop is disgusting. I wouldn't even eat it for breakfast.
That's so creepy. I don't like that. What? Oh. 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 Roku got serious because she got quiet.
Shut up. You know, I just want to win, you know? Just one round. I want to freaking win, okay? No. Ah. You stupid bomb. What? Nah, nah, nah.
I want to kill you with the egg. Oh,
Damn
no!
it!
No, I won, but at what cost? Why did he look so smug? I'm dripped out. Sheesh! Let's go. Alright, let's see. Oh.
What am I just
Who
so
shall
bad?
we be? Very good.
Pain. I think I'm gonna play one more game and I'm gonna take a break. Because I'm eternally dying.
It's called rage quitting.
Uh-huh,
I'm kidding.
yeah, sure.
I kind of wish there were full like grapples, but I don't think there are. Oh,
What?
canceled.
Wait, but I hit you first. How come I took the damage?
This right here is the battle to end all battles. Cat versus dog.
I will defeat you, Ichi!
Nope. 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 What? Oh,
Yes, I can win! No! Back up!
Back up. Oh,
Yes! Wait! One more. Yeah, no.
Alright, let's try it.
Oh, no! Back up, E.T.! No!
Oh, I missed!
Sucks for you, E.T. Oh, no. Oof. No.
Back off, feline.
I won't lose, EJ!
No. Alright, no, hold on. I'm okay. I'm slipping. No.
No! Don't cheat, EJ! No! No, I won't let you win! I'll win for once! I'm gonna win! No, I'm gonna win! Yeah! I did it, guys! I won! Guys, I fucking won! I did it!
See?
I won!
Ichi.
Holy shit!
That was close.
Oh my god!
That was close. I barely saw any health on me. Barely any health on you at that end.
Holy
Bruh. Damn. I'll give you that one. I went easy, obviously.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Yeah, thank you. That was good. I felt proud in the end. I am happy. That whole entire time, Ichi just kept kicking my ass. Roku, I did you proud.
I'm gonna be honest.
Shh, don't tell them that,
Damn
man.
it. That was fun.
Yeah. Let me just exit real quick.
Emotional damage.
Oh my god!
Oh? Oh! No way!
Oh my god!
You just get a microphone?
Wow!
Emotional
Wait, there's
damage.
more! Wait, there's more!
What?
What is going on? Oh my god,
Hold on,
wait!
hold on,
Wait,
let me-
wait.
I just got
Oh
like 5
my God.
notifications from you.
What?
Let's see. Oh my god!
Oh!
The
Wait.
candy box and the microphone? Bro. Candy unboxing stream when? Oh my god. That looks awesome. Yeah, goat spoiled Roku again.
Some love,
Goat
some goat
love.
love.
I got you.
Thank you.
All the goat love. And then goat does the loady love.
No, do goat love. Do some goat love. It's flame me.
Goat's trying hard to deflect.
Yeah. No, goat love.
Goat, you're
No more.
I'm
Roku
sorry, bud.
love.
You're in the spotlight now. You can't really go.
No, it's
You're
you,
the one.
goat. I think I could delete that birthday command now. Yeah.
Birthday command?
Yeah, there's a explanation for like the birthday cards. My birthday wishes.
Oh,
No,
okay.
what the heck said?
Got you.
Thank you? Question mark.
You're only one goat. We are many. Ah, okay.
Oh my
New card will be
god.
pulled with a new redeem. After every 5 cards pulled, the price total of each card will increase by $5.
Oh,
Nice.
thank you. Do you want to be here for like the next card pulling? Like, I don't mind if you chill for a bit.
Yeah, I'm chill. I'm fine with that.
Okay. I'm sorry. I
got
just
everything
need
set up,
someone
I'm like, I
here.
can just
I'm like
pop in and pop
crying.
out.
I'm just internally dying.
Oh, look at me. I just look beautiful with these legs.
Yes, dashing. Dashing.
Actually, hold on. I think. Wait, now that I have VC face, I can have it move with me. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna do that. So I think you can turn mine. Hold on, let me see. Am I good? Should I zoom myself out or?
Oh my god, you. Fix this. You need to fix this.
Oh, 1 second.